Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to record Roblox with OBS Studio. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, make sure you've got OBS Studio installed. It's super easy, download it and install it, and you can then open it up. Then come over to the bottom left and select a scene. If there isn't already one, click on the plus button and make scene. Now you want to come over to the right and go and click on settings. You'll go and get the settings pop up, and you want to go and click on output over to the left. Make sure the mode is at the simple and come down to recording. The recording path is all your video will be saved, and then you can choose recording quality. So for me, I will choose high quality medium file size. I find this to be the most efficient option. Recording format, set that to MP4. It's the most compatible. Now when it comes to the encoder, it depends upon your graphic card. So if you have graphic card, then choose according to your card setting. Since I don't have any graphic card, so I will choose this option, which is Software X264. And there are the other settings as well. Now come over to the left into audio and come into mic auxiliary audio and go and choose your mic. Also, you can go and enable desktop audio as well, just so you can record what's happening in Roblox and the rest of your computer as well. Then come over to the left into video and you can now go and choose the resolution. So it will also depend on your monitor. So select best resolution which your monitor supports. Now recording in 1080p will be fine. Then you can go and choose the FPS. Ideally, I'd recommend it being set to 60 as it makes it smoother, but 30 will also be fine. If you're experiencing lag, then you can go and change it to 30, but try starting with 60. And that's the same thing for the resolution. If you're experiencing lag, you could try changing it to 720p, but that's quite low for a sort of modern day video. Now come over to the left into hotkeys and you can go and set a key to start and stop recording. So select according to your preference. And then once you've finished with your settings, click apply. Now come into sources like so and go and click on the plus button in the bottom. And what you can do is you can either record your entire screen by clicking on display capture, press OK, and you can then choose the display and then go and press OK. Or alternatively, you can just go and capture Roblox by using game capture or window capture. That's going to be up to you, and that's all for it. Now we're ready to start recording. So come into Roblox, find a game you want to play and go and start recording with your hotkey which you just set. So that's basically how you can record Roblox with OBS Studio. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.